All right, so, but then what if you want to make something fancy? Well, we can do that. Fancy is our middle name, not really. So this is base metal. It's part of a vintage lamp base. So some time ago, I met a guy who, he bought out a whole old lamp company that went out of business. And he had a whole warehouse full of these things.
Oh, wow.
Like none of them were assembled. They were all just these strange, weird bases and stuff. And I thought this would just be really cool. This would actually also be really cool for her. And maybe we'll do that because we like to do that. But see, look at how this is.
Oh, yeah, that would be perfect.
Right? It's a nice little textural kind of thing. So the tricky thing is, though, we have a positive that we want to make a copy of. So we have to make a negative of it somehow. And we are going to do a do-it-yourself silicone mold with silicone caulking from the hardware store. Right? Mm-hmm. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So the first thing we need to do is oil that mold. Silicone is pretty good at nonstick, but this will make your life much easier, I promise. And this is, you can use mold release, you can use spray oil. This is what we happen to have in the studio, so we're using that. And it does not take a lot. Why do we have this in the studio?
Not really sure.
Okay.
After a while, I just stopped asking.
Just whatever. So we're actually going to make an open face mold of this because we're making two different ones.
A question from Denise.
Okay.
Would a silicone pan work as a mold?
Yeah, it should. You just need to make sure that it's strong enough to hold